a grandmother's story. This story was told by my mother-in-law to my daughter. Once there lived an old man. He had two sons and he was almost in his deathbed. And his younger son was handicapped, physically challenged. And his last words were, he told his elder son that, please divide my possessions equally. The possessions he had were a mango tree, a quilt, and a cow. Only these things he had, and he said divide it equally. Please don't cheat your younger brother. And the elder son said, yeah, sure. The old man died. The next day, the younger brother kept quiet. He didn't ask anything about the possessions. He was quiet. The elder son started, brother, our dad said we should divide the possessions equally. I'm always very fair on this part that we are going to divide it equally. You have any second opinion? The younger brother was very innocent. He didn't want to make any comment. He said he thought that his brother would be good. He said, no, it's your wish. You can divide. You can divide accordingly to your wish. Okay, the elder brother was ready. And he said, brother, okay, let's take the mango tree. You take the second half. I'll take the upper half. You take the trunk, root and all those things. I'll take the top part of the tree. Next, when it comes to the cow, he said, I'll take the second half. That is, I'll take the back side of the cow. You take the front side, the head, mouth, all those things you take. Then when it came to the blanket, he said, I'll have the blanket only during the night time. You have the blanket during the daytime. Is it okay? Now everything is okay. We've divided the shares equal half. Now it's okay. The younger brother was okay, our brother is not too bad. It's okay. Let's see. He was waiting for that. Next day came and it was early in the morning. It's time to get milk from the cow. And the elder brother asked, brother, the first half of the cow belongs to you. Did you feed the cow? The younger brother said, yes I did. I fed the cow. He said, okay, now the second half is mine. I am doing my job. He collected milk. He went, sold it. He got the money. And the younger one was expecting at least a cup of coffee from his brother that he should get. But the elder said, brother, the second half belongs to me. So obviously the milk belongs to me. Please don't expect it. The front half belongs to you and you have to feed. That is your job. Please do it properly. The brother was upset. Okay, let's see what happens. The brother was waiting. The next day, the same day, when it was night, almost in the evening, the elder brother said, brother, it's going to get dark. It's my time. Please hand over the quilt to me. They had only one quilt. Now, the younger brother said, brother, but even I feel cold. I feel like shivering now. What can I do? It's your headache. You have to handle it. You should have learned. You're grown up. Please try to handle. You made some alternative. Now it's my chance. I'm going to use the quilt. The elder used it. Again, the next day, the brother was he was thinking okay, at least we'll get some mangoes. I'll get some money from that. I'll make my survival. He was thinking like that. The next day, the elder brother said, brother, come, let's go collect the mangoes from the mango tree. They both went. He started plucking all the mangoes and he said, brother, the second half of the tree belongs to you. So you stay under the tree, you catch the basket. The top part belongs to me. I'll just pluck the fruits and I'll throw down. The same happened. They collected the fruits. And finally, as I expected, the elder brother said, okay, let's sell it. I'll have the money because the fruits were on the top part and I will sell it. I possess it. The younger brother was very upset. But he kept on doing his duties daily. He used to pour water to the tree, feed the cow. He used to hand over the quilt during the evening. It happened for a few days. And he was very upset and he wanted to teach a lesson to his brother. What he did was, during the daytime, he didn't do anything. He was just kept that quilt idle. And when it was nearly darking, he just drenched the quilt in water and he took it. And when the brother asked, please hand over the quilt to me, this younger brother gave it. And this elder was very surprised. What is this? It's wet. How do you expect me to use this? The younger one said, brother, evening I thought of washing the quilt, so I washed it. That was my time. Now it's your time, please have it. You do whatever you want. The brother was very upset and he said, okay, I was wrong. The next day, the time was to collect milk from the cow. This younger brother, he stood in front of the cow. He had a straw in his hand. The elder brother was collecting milk and he said, what are you doing in front of the cow? The younger one said, you please don't mind it. This is my part and I am standing wherever I want. That's your job, you do it. He started inserting a straw inside that cow's nose. He inserted it. The cow started acting weirdly. It started to kick back and all those things. The elder brother told the younger one, please stop doing it. I couldn't collect milk. The younger brother is telling, you do your work and I am doing whatever I want. You don't bother about what's happening in front. The elder couldn't collect milk at all. He just left. When he came to the mango tree, this younger one, what he did was, he took a saw, he went to the mango tree and he started cutting the tree. He did. When the elder brother came there, it was on his shock. He stop, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Please stop it. The younger one said, look, the bottom part of the tree belongs to me. So you please don't interfere. I'll do whatever I want. What bothers you? So he started cutting. And finally the elder one realized, okay brother, let's be fair. Let's stop this. We'll have an equal share in a fair part. Okay? We'll share the entire thing equally. So the moral is, we'll not be given what we want. Sometimes we want to get what we want.